Hi, and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how I use two different blade holders with my cutting machine. This simple trick helps keep my blade sharp, saves time, and makes cutting different materials a lot easier. As you can see, I have two blade holders. One is for paper, and the other is for vinyl and heat transfer vinyl. To keep things organized, I have marked them separately. The one for paper is marked with a purple label. The other one is marked with black vinyl, and I use it for all types of vinyl. Using separate blade holders helps keep your blade sharp for longer. Vinyl needs a very sharp blade to cut smoothly and to get a clean kiss cut. If you use the same blade for both paper and vinyl, it will become dull much faster. That's why I use two holders, so I don't have to remove and replace the blade every time. I simply switch the holder, and I'm ready to go. The most important thing to remember is to use separate blades for different materials, especially when working with paper. Paper is softer than vinyl and does not need a very sharp blade. Here's a tip that can help you save money. When your vinyl blade becomes slightly dull, you don't have to throw it away. Instead, move it to your paper blade holder. It may not be sharp enough for vinyl anymore, but it will still cut paper perfectly fine for a long time. This way you get the most out of each blade and nothing goes to waste. Some of you might ask, why don't I use the automatic blade holder? That's a good question. The automatic blade holders do work, but I like to cut very small and detailed pieces of vinyl. I prefer to use my own custom settings, and I found that they give me better and more consistent results. Also, different types or brands of vinyl cut differently. Sometimes even different colors from the same brand need slightly different settings. If you want to know how to make your blade holders work with the same cutting settings, check out my other video. In that video, I explain exactly how I set it up. Thanks for watching. I hope this tip helps you get the best results with your cutting machine. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next one.